Hey y'all, I want to speak from the heart today. This ain't my usual fun and crafty kind of video, but it's one I feel led to share, because as believers we're called to walk in truth, and that includes what we're feeding our families. I'm going to share some things I've heard from folks who used to work in restaurants. Now I don't know if all this is 100% accurate, but what I do know is that enough of these stories have raised red flags for me to take notice and to pass along, because as consumers, as Christians, as stewards over our families and our resources, we deserve to know what we're putting into our bodies. So here goes. Let's start with Wendy's chili. I used to like it too. But did you know it's made from unsold hamburger meat that's just chopped up and reused? That may be legal, but it sure ain't honest. That ain't nourishment. It's leftovers dressed up as fresh. What about Outback? They're selling lobster like it's a delicacy, but it's just microwaved seafood. Y'all, when we pay good money, we expect good food, honest food. How about Gigi's Cupcakes? The ones in the grocery store that look so homemade and delicious. Well, one former manager says they're made with Pillsbury products. That ain't transparency, that's branding over truth. And let's talk about fast food. I heard one former employee say that McDonald's chicken nuggets are purple before they're cooked. Now, whether that's true or not, it raises a deeper question. What are we putting in our bodies, and what are we feeding our children? I also heard that Subway can't legally claim their food is fresh anymore, and that whole never frozen thing from Wendy's. Word is the meat's frozen before it ever reaches the store. So what does never frozen really mean? It's wordplay meant to mislead. And as for Jamba juice, some insiders say the orange juice they use is old, concentrated, and stored for who knows how long. Edible arrangements too. The fruits looking cute but tasting tired. Now, before I share some more, I want to say this. I don't want this video to come across like I am totally against indulging once in a while. Life's too short for that. But I do think we need to be informed, especially when it comes to what we put in our bodies. And here's another story that makes me sad. Some gas stations, yes, gas stations, take spoiled chicken, wash it in vinegar, and fry it up to sell. That ain't just unethical, it's dangerous, and it breaks my heart to know people are eating that, not even aware. Now, I've heard good things about Raising Cane's, but one former owner said he wouldn't feed his own family from his restaurant, and that was confirmed by a former Olive Garden owner. He said he wouldn't feed his family from his restaurant either. That says more than any ad ever could. And finally, I've been told that at some places, when food expires, they just change the date, not throw it out. Just cover it up. That's not stewardship, that's deception, and it can hurt people. Now I've got one more story, and then I'm gonna close with a positive note. Those beautiful cakes in the grocery store that say made fresh. Many are baked and frozen right away, kept in deep freeze till somebody orders one. And listen, when it's for a baby shower, a wedding, a celebration of life, we want more than frozen. We want meaningful, we want fresh. So there you have it. I know this may not be the type of video you were expecting, but I felt led to share this because as believers, we're called to be discerning. We're called to walk in truth, and that includes what we're feeding our families. Now, before you go, I want to encourage you to check out this video right here. You don't want to miss this. Oh, and one more thing. Please hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. Most of you are not subscribed that are seeing this video, had a bad or good experience at a restaurant. I can't wait to hear about it. Until next time, stay prayed up, stay sharp, and stay rooted in truth. I love y'all.